Okay, aloha guys. So let's make some salsa. Now we're not making any of this like store salsa or anything. We're making authentic Mexican salsa. This is actually from a good chef of mine, one of my chef friends. Actually, he worked for me. He came up through the ranks. His name is Gustavo Garcia. If you're watching this, Gustavo, thank you very much. He makes the best salsa and it's so simple, and I think you folks will love it. All you guys need is a few tomatoes, some cilantro, some raw garlic, some lime, some jalapeno, and an onion. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna roast all these off. I'm gonna roast the tomatoes off, I'm gonna roast the jalapeno, and I'm gonna roast the onions. All I'm gonna do is throw it right on the fire, and whether you need to roast it in a hot pan or we're gonna just blister the skin, and we'll throw it all in a blender and I'll show you how to put everything together. I'll see you in a bit. Okay guys, so all I'm doing is roasting. All I did is put it right on the flat top. You guys can just put it in a hot dry pan and turn it black. Make the bottom black. That's all you gotta do. So we leave that for about 10-15 minutes, get it roasted real well, and in the meantime I'll show you how to roast the peppers. Okay guys, so now you see I'm just roasting these tomatoes. All I'm doing is put them right over the gas fire. Listen, if you don't have gas at home, you guys can easily just put it on your put it in a hot dry pan and just let the skin blister. Same thing guys. Let me just get these things blistered up and I'll get back to you. Okay guys, as you can see I got the tomatoes and the jalapenos blistered up. I'm just waiting for the onion now, then I'll put everything together and I'll show you guys. Let's put it into the blender and I'll show you guys what to put in. And that's basically all your ingredients. I am using some of the roasted garlic that you've seen in my previous video, and I'm gonna finish with raw garlic. And that's the whole trick to this salsa. You guys gotta finish with raw garlic. A lot of people don't do that, but it gives the salsa a bright, beautiful taste. Okay, all right? Guys. Let's see what's okay guys, so you guys can see I got everything pretty much roasted off. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna rough chop. You know what? I think only 2 tomatoes might go into this, but we'll see. You can leave all the black on. Just take off the little stem on the top, but let's use your blender at home. Just rough chop it a little. Just so you don't hurt your blender too much. But you want all that charred part of it. You want all that charred part of it into the salsa, okay? One of the jalapenos, I'm gonna leave seeds and all inside, okay? And one of the jalapenos, I'm gonna seed it. I mean, if you want heat, you guys can. By all means, you guys can leave it inside. But yeah, I'm kind of a lightweight nowadays. I'm getting a little old. Okay, and I'll get the onions rough chopped. All I did was blister the onion, so it's still raw in the middle. All right. Let me go ahead and chop up this cilantro. Well, I can do it. I don't want to make the video too long, but and this one is okay. Stems or no, it doesn't matter. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna squeeze one lime, one juice of one lime. I don't know if you guys can see it, but this is what I'm putting everything in. I'm putting about 4, 5, 6 cloves, or make it 12 cloves of my roasted garlic that you seen on my previous video. It's roasted in oil, so we'll put that inside there too. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it a couple of dashes of salt. You guys can see all of this. Okay, and then we'll get it on the blender. Okay guys, and all I'm doing is blending it up like this. If you can see it. And then I'm blending it to it's pretty much liquefied, okay? And then what I'll do now, you see it's all liquefied now, okay? Then what I'll do now, add about 4 cloves of raw garlic. That's the key. That's the key to the whole thing right there. Let me get this thing back on the blender to get it all blended up, and I'll show you the final product. This is your final product right out of the blender, okay? Now, yes, this is salsa, guys, okay? I know you guys used to think store-bought salsa or whatever, but dip a chip into that, put it on your whatever you want to put salsa on. It is absolutely fantastic. So I have the recipe right here for you folks, and give this one a try. You guys will really like it. Like I said, thank you to Gustavo Garcia, which, by the way, Gustavo worked the ranks up with us, and he is now actually a sous chef at the Las Vegas Mandarin Hotel. Congratulations to him. He's doing a fantastic job, and yeah, we love him to death. He's a great cook, a chef now, and we shall see you guys with the next recipe soon. All right, you folks take care. You folks have a very Merry Christmas. I hope you guys had a safe Thanksgiving, and you guys be safe on New Year, especially in Hawaii, with all the fireworks. I miss it a lot. I really miss it, but what can I say? I'll be home soon. All right, you guys take care. Jesus loves you. Always remember that, and we shall see you folks soon. Aloha.